Good morning, children. Let us discuss some important questions of trigonometry. Now, question number 1 is, if cosec A is equal to root 10, then find other trigonometric ratios. As cosec A is given to you, and you know cosec A is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, it means value of cosec A is root 10, which can be written as root 10 upon 1. It means as we know that they are in the form of ratio, therefore P equal to 1k and hypotenuse equal to root 10k. As we know that relation between perpendicular base and hypotenuse, that is by Pythagoras theorem, we can write p square plus b square equal to h square, where p is here k, we have replaced k, it is a square, that's why it is a square, and hypotenuse is root 10k, we have replaced again by doing squaring of it, we are getting 10k square, k square is shifted here, and by subtracting it, we are getting 9k square. Let us take square root on both the sides. By taking square root, we are getting 3k, which is b, that is base. Now we have perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse, all of them. We have to find out all trigonometric ratios which are except cosec A, because cosec A is given to us. Therefore, first trigonometric ratio is sine A, which is p upon h. P we know 1k, and h is root 10k, k cancel, it means sine A is 1 upon root 10. Similarly, cos A is base upon hypotenuse, b upon h, value of them, base is 3k and hypotenuse is root 10k. By cancelling it again, we are getting cos A. Similarly, tan A, p upon b, that is p is 1k and base is 3k. By cancelling it, we are getting 1 by 3. Cot A is b upon p, which is reciprocal of 10, and therefore it is 3. And similarly, secant A is reciprocal of cos, that is h upon b. By substituting the value, we are getting root 10 upon 3. So in this way, if one trigonometric ratio is given to you, then we can find out other trigonometric ratios by using it. Similarly, let us discuss more questions based on it. And question is, in triangle ABC, which is right angle at B, AB is 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter, then we have to find out sine A, cos A, sine C, cos C. Whatever we have to find out, we are required all the three sides of a triangle. Here, two sides are given to you, AB 24 centimeter and BC 7 centimeter. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. By substituting the value, we are getting value of AC, taking square root on both the sides, that is 25 centimeter. Now we have to find out sine A, angle A. In front of angle A, that is opposite side is BC, that is perpendicular. And sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, therefore perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. By substituting the value, that is 7 upon 25 is the value of sine. Similarly, cos A, AB upon AC, because cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, and angle A adjacent side to angle A is AB. That's why AB upon AC is cos A, that is 24 upon 25. Similarly, sine C. Sine C, angle C means opposite side is perpendicular. That's why AB upon AC is sine C. That is 24 upon 25, and similarly we got cos C. In this way, we can find out any trigonometric ratio if all the three sides we have in a triangle. Let us discuss one more question, which is, in this right triangle, two sides are given to you, and third side we have to find out by Pythagoras theorem. We can find out, which is I'm not discussing. It is just shown here. You can read it yourself. And third side is QR, which is 5 centimeter. Now we have to find out the value of 10p minus cot p. 10p, p, angle p. Angle p means opposite side is perpendicular. This is base and it is hypotenuse. We are required 10p, and 10 theta is perpendicular upon base. That's why it is perpendicular and it is base. By substituting the value, we are getting the value of 10p. Similarly, cot p, which is 1 upon 10p, that is 1 upon 5 upon 12, can be written as 12 upon 5. Let us substitute the values of 10p and minus cot p. By substituting it and by taking LCM, we are getting this value, which is called the required value of 10p minus quantity. In this way, we can simplify questions based on right triangle if all the three sides are given to you, and using it we can find out any trigonometric ratio. Thank you so much. We will discuss more questions later on.